We are in Marina Farmers Market on Sundays, 2nd and PCH in Long Beach. I sell these spiced coconut SuperMix. These are coconut powder and coconut milk powder. I have cacao cinnamon that has antioxidant properties. Cinnamon ginger turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, and cardamom rosemary has antimicrobial properties. This one is good with coffee, it's good with hot chocolate, it's good sprinkled on vanilla ice cream. This one is good with coffee, it's good with oatmeal, also in milk. This one is good in matcha tea, in green tea, in goat cheese, mix it with goat cheese. All of them, because of coconut milk powder, they have MCT oil in them, so they are important for cognitive function. They are sweetened with coconut sugar, so in that case they have low glycemic index. It doesn't give you that sugar rush, sugar crush, and the application of them is immense. For example, this one you could use it in Thai food. This one you could use it with, mix it with goat cheese, or you could put any of them in your smoothie, in your milkshake, coconut water. So come and visit us 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Sundays in the Marina Farmers Market in Long Beach. Thank you.